All right, Blood Dads, we have stopped over at Silverplume, right there, Silverplume. And now we're gonna go inside the museum. I'm one of the first ones inside this museum of old railroad cars. This is really cool. Talks about the Georgetown Loop reconstruction from the early beginnings. This is really neat. This is stuff that never grew up with. Wow, look how old this car is, and they're reconstructing it. That's really awesome. So this is a business car. Oh, that's where they have to have mail. Oh, that's really neat. Oh, look at the stove. Wow, that's really neat. That's where you get your water. This is really incredible. So this one over here is Colorado and Southern. This was an old one. Yep, that was right. It's the railroad post office and baggage car. There's a stove, there's a toilet in there. And you know the luggage that we have today where we have rollers? Yeah, they had to carry all of those. And those things are massive. If you had enough money, you'd be packing all that stuff in these things because cargo costs a lot of money. That line up there, if you pull on it, it stops the train in case of emergencies. This is the coach car.
What's this train? This was the coach car. So
this is where everybody hung out. So just like what we were riding on. And then there's the gorge. This is just a model of it. So Georgetown Silverplume diorama. That's pretty awesome. All right, now we're exiting the museum. All right, guys, so that was pretty neat. Pretty neat to see how transportation happened in those days. So if you'd like to see here at Blab Dad, go ahead and like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Share this information. YouTube can come to Georgetown and enjoy the museum, as well as the stop here at Silverplume to check out the museum and what it has to offer. All right, so we'll see you down at the end.